Dow Johnson checking in, man. Ghetto House Studio. Everything ain't always good as it seems. Seems as good as it looks. Thinking rappers blow overnight, but a lot of years it took. A lot of long nights, so frustrated. Wanna be on, but gotta be patient. God said it ain't time yet, but when it's time to shine, you gotta make a statement. Baby girl just turned 5. Grandmama, she just died a few years ago. Shit ain't been the same, but I still got one more, and she love me though. Family first and everything come after that. I thought about quitting, but fuck that. I love this rap shit, and that's a fact. Picked up and moved to California. Had to regroup and start over. Got my groove back, now I'm rolling. I ain't looking back, moving forward. Got my weight up, now I'm holding. Major comeback, Super Bowling. Hustling harder than a 9 to 5, but they think it's easy and it's all lies. I know these niggas be talking about me. Smile in my face, but I know they dap me. I just use it as motivation. I ain't meek, but I'm dream chasing. I ain't stopping or letting up until I see a plaque with my name on it. Gold or platinum with the frame on it. I just my hang good chain
my
on
life
it.
ain't been amazing. Nah, I struggle from the start. Times my heart's on my mind, but always daydream. One day I'm gonna make a change. They say there's no escaping. Nah, but I disagree, cause I've been on a mission. I was meant for having great things. When something starts to faze me, start over.
Do you know how I feel to be the underdog? Don't nobody wanna help you, they just rather laugh at you. It's a dirty world with some really good people in it. You just gotta meet them, keep your eyes open, you'll see them. Had to cut some niggas out lately, fuck that dead weight. 7 broke niggas hanging out, ain't tryna be 8. I'm just tryna run my bag up and buy a nice place. Find a girl down for me, pretty face and smile, way she did. The game over with, I'm putting in overtime, I'm focused now. Can't nobody stop me now, watch me now. Climb to the top like a beanstalk, but I ain't jack but a sip on it. Tip on it, flip on it. Through the city streets late night with a chick, she honing. On the molly, she asked me if we fucking. I said yeah, probably. Been doing my thing for a real long time. Make it look easy, but I put it on the line. Blood and sweat and tears and sacrifice. Working, grinding hard, that's my life. Nobody gave me shit, I earned my stripes. Shit got dark, I still seen the light. Not a quitter, never been the type. I'm a fighter, so believe
my
the hype.
life ain't been amazing. Nah, I struggle from the start. Times my heart's on my mind, but always daydream.